Hi, this is Tyson from Techie Tice, and we're going to recreate this beautiful Stonehenge presentation. After creating a new project, we're going to insert a shape. Any tessellating shape will do, and if you hold down the Alt button and drag the shape along, you can create a duplicate. By highlighting them all and pressing Ctrl G, you can group them together like that, and then we can go into the format shape section and format it as a big group. We're going to format it and fill it with a picture, and you can see the picture comes together nicely there with the tessellating shapes. Next, we're going to insert some text in the form of some word art. Then we're going to type in Stonehenge. Then we're going to increase the size and boldness of our text until we're happy with it. Then we're going to start formatting the background of the slide. So if you right click anywhere on the slide and format background, you can start formatting the background. And what we're going to use is, instead of a picture fill like we did with the diamonds, we're going to do a gradient fill. By selecting each one of those points, we can change the color of the gradient. And once we're happy with it, we're going to insert the same photo of Stonehenge, and we're going to start removing the background. So you do that by clicking on the picture and clicking on Remove Background. So select the parts you want to remove and the parts that you don't. And then we're going to use our cropping tool to make it a little bit shorter. And then we're going to position our text in front of our stone. And there we have it, all done. Stonehenge. And hopefully you can use that in one of your PowerPoint presentations to make it more visually appealing. If you got something out of my tutorial today, please check out my channel. You might see some more things you like, and consider liking and subscribing to this video. Thank you very much. I've been Tyson from Techie Tice.